Magandang hapon po ng Friday, September 8, 2023 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, September 8, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 8, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, September 8, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for September 8, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, September 8, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.